Hello everyone, my name is Nick and today I'm gonna show you how to switch to a professional Instagram account in 2023-2024. Okay, before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Thank you very much. Okay, firstly we need to open up Instagram. Now just click on your profile's photo in the bottom right corner of the screen and click on three lines. Okay. Now we need to select settings and privacy. Good. And just scroll down. Okay. Now we need to tap on account type and tools and click on the switch to professional account. Okay. Now we need to click on the blue button, continue, and again continue. Okay. Now you need to select one of these items, what best describes you. For example, in my case, I can select blogger and click on done. Okay. Now we need to select creator or business. As you can see, business best for retailers, local businesses, brands, organizations and service providers, and creator best for public figures, content producers, artists and influencers. Let's select first one, click on next, and that's all. And as you can see, we've changed our account type to a professional account. Well, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.